Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. I am here to report about the global governance and international public administration. My name is Marcangelo S. Malyari. Global governance. The term global governance describes the organizations, procedures, and systems used to handle and resolve global concerns. Coordinating policies and actions among diverse stakeholders at the global level is necessary to address issues including global health crisis, terrorism, climate change, and human rights violations. The global governance acknowledges that a number of today's concerns cut beyond national lines and need for collaboration and coordinated effort from governments, non-governmental organizations, society organizations, and other relevant parties. How about international public administration? It focuses on the structures, practices, and principles governing the administration of public affairs at the international level. It encompasses the management of international organizations, treaties, agreements, and diplomatic relations between states. International public administrators work to implement and enforce international laws and regulations, facilitate cooperation and coordination among states, and provide technical assistance and support in various areas such as development, peacekeeping, and humanitarian aid. The concepts of global governance and international public administration have evolved over time in response to changing geopolitical landscapes, technological advancements, and the growing interconnectedness of the world. Here's a brief overview of their historical development. Early international relations. The roots of global governance and international public administrations can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where early forms of diplomacy and trade agreements emerged to facilitate interactions between different societies. Ancient empires such as the Roman Empire and the Chinese Han Dynasty established systems for governing their vast territories and managing relations with neighboring states. Treaty systems. The modern systems of international relations began to take shape with the Peace of Westphalia in 1648, which established the principle of state sovereignty and the norm of non-interference in the domestic affairs of other states. Over time, the international community developed a system of treaties agreements to regulate various aspects of interstate relations, such as trade, diplomacy, and the conduct of war. League of Nations. Following the devastation of World War I, the League of Nations was established in 1920 as the first international organization with the goal of promoting peace and cooperation among nations. Although it ultimately failed to prevent the outbreak of World War II, the League laid the groundwork for future efforts to create a more structured system of global governance. United Nations. In 1945, the United Nations was founded in the aftermath of the World War II, with the primary aim of preventing future conflicts and promoting international cooperation. The UN Charter established principles of collective security, peaceful dispute resolution, and respect for human rights, laying the foundation for international law and governance. Expansion of international organization. Since the establishment of the UN, the international community has witnessed the proliferation of international organizations and institutions tasked with addressing specific global challenges. This includes organizations such as the World Bank, the International Monetary Fund or the IMF, the World Health Organization, and the World Trade Organization, which plays key roles in areas such as development, finance, health, and trade. Globalization and interdependence. The latter half of 20th century saw rapid globalization, characterized by increased flows of goods, capital, information, and people across borders. This heightened interdependence highlighted the need for enhanced cooperation and coordination among states to address transnational issues such as climate change, terrorism, and pandemics. Challenges and opportunities. While the concept of global governance and international public administration has made significant strides in addressing global challenges, they also face numerous challenges, including geopolitical tensions, unequal distribution of power, and resistance to multilateralism. However, ongoing efforts continue to adapt and strengthen global governance mechanisms to better address emerging threats and opportunities in the 21st century. Current setup of global governance and international public administration. It involves a complex network of institutions, organizations, and mechanisms designed to address various global challenges and facilitate cooperation among nations. The UN remains the preeminent international organization tasked with promoting peace, security, development, and human rights worldwide. It comprises multiple specialized agencies, programs, and bodies such as the Security Council, General Assembly, Economic and Social Council, and specified agencies like UNICEF and the World Health Organization. Multilateral treaties and agreements. A multitude of international treaties and agreements govern various aspects of global affairs, including trade, environmental protection, disarmament, non-proliferation treaty, human rights, and more. Regional organizations. Regional organizations play crucial roles in addressing regional challenges and promoting cooperation among neighboring countries. Examples include the European Union, African Union, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, and the Organization of American States. International financial institutions. Institutions like the IMF and the World Bank provide financial assistance, technical expertise, and policy to member countries to promote economic stability, development, and poverty reduction globally. The NGOs. These NGOs play vital roles in advocating for various causes, providing humanitarian assistance, monitoring human rights abuses, and filling gaps in global governance. Organizations like Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, and Doctors Watch Borders are prominent examples. Global summits and conferences. Regular international summits and conferences provide platforms where world leaders, policymakers, experts, and civil society representatives to discuss and address pressing global issues. Examples include the G7, the G20, the United Nations Climate Change Conferences, and World Economic Forum. Technological advancement. Technological innovations, particularly in communication and information technology, have transformed global governance and international public administration by facilitating rapid information exchange, coordination, and collaboration among others worldwide. Challenges and opportunities. Despite significant progress, global governance and international public administrations face numerous challenges, including geopolitical tensions, resource constraints, climate change, inequality, and global health crisis. However, ongoing efforts to strengthen multilateralism, enhance cooperation, and innovate government mechanisms offer opportunities to address these challenges collectively. Overall, the current setup of global governance and international public administrations reflects the complexities of a rapid changing world and underscores the importance of collective action and cooperation to tackle shared global challenges. That's all. Thank you po.